Yo, we got another one. Nicholas Newvon, what are you listening to? NYC Subway Edition. See, now this is a good one, cause the subway could be like you could find someone on the subway and they could be from anywhere in the whole. They could literally be from anywhere in the world. But more importantly, they could be from anywhere in New York. So this video is like all parts of New York in one.
In this video, I'm going to be asking people on the New York City subway, hey, what song you listening to? What song you listening to?
Little Survey by 21 Savage.
By 21 Savage. Thank you, bro.
Stand up when I pitch. Oh God. VVS
See,
is
this
all
is
on
a
my
W.
wrist, man. Nigga, white stone.
What song you listening to?
In the Bible by Drake.
In the Bible by Drake.
This
Thank
is
you.
W.
Cause you love the lifestyle.
That's my favorite song off the album.
¿Qué canción? Cool. Thank you, man. What song you listening to?
I don't even know.
What you got? What you got?
Yeah.
OFB Ambush. Thank you, man.
How do people listen?
What song?
How do people listen to music in their headphones that they don't know? Like I would never realize. I can't do that.
You listening to?
Funeral music.
Funeral music.
Yeah.
Is there like an artist or?
The Undertaker.
Undertaker. Thank you, man.
He's a menace, a straight menace, a menace. Why he listening to the Undertaker's theme song while he's walking in the subway? He's a menace.
What song you listening to? Highway to Hell, AC/DC.
Classic. I can't say anything but
What song you listening to?
Take From Me.
Take From Me.
By Bad News Evil.
Okay, thank you, man.
not what I expected. I'm not even gonna lie.
What song you listening to?
Summer Walker.
Summer Walker. What song?
Playing games.
Thank you.
Won't you say my name, say my name?
Mid.
What song you listening to?
Yeah, I have that shirt.
Cloud by Offset Carter. Thank you.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot name.
Balance.
Tion Wayne. 3x3. Okay, thank you, bro.
Get to the scoring, and the first side gon' get to the pouring. Gon' clap his kidnaps and
What song you listening to?
I would expect.
Bachata.
Bachata. ¿Qué tipo de canción?
Se llama Un hombre no llora.
Okay, gracias. What song you listening to? Juice WRLD Without Me. Thank you, man.
W song.
What song you listening to?
I don't know if my headphones.
What is it?
Spanish music.
¿Qué tipo? No Love Anuel. Thank you, man.
Well,
What song you listening to?
I'm listening to Pentatonics,
Pentatonics. What song?
their rendition of Shallow.
Thank you. Appreciate it. What song you listening to?
whoa. Where do I know that song from? Like, obviously, I know the song. Jeez, man.
Oh, good song. Justin Timberlake. My Love.
Oh, this is a W right there. That's a W throwback. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna have to add that to the
What song you
playlist.
listening to? Eminem, Sing for the Moment. Thank you, man. Hey, what song you listening to?
What song am I listening to?
Yeah, what song?
Pretty Girl by Claro.
Pretty Girl by Claro. Oh, that's a good song. I like that one. Thank you.
Claro is underrated.
What song you listening to?
Claro is a vibe. I'm not gonna
Can
lie.
I Kick It by Trap?
Can I Kick It? Oh, good song. Thanks, Daniel.
He had military hours on.
The TikTok vibe.
Yeah. What you got?
I'm listening to The Weeknd.
Thank you.
In the fall.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. What song you listening to? What you got? Never Gonna Forget. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
He was almost at L. I'm not gonna lie. He said no.
What song you listening to?
Capo.
Capo, Young Shame, Wasn't Dumb Enough. Thank you, bro. What song you listening to?
Guard Up, Who Should I Say?
Guard Up,
Who Should I Say?
Shiesty. Thank you, man.
That last guy went on SoundCloud to listen to that mid song. That's crazy.
I just crossed another nigga over, tell him guard up.
What song you listening to? 6 Ex-Wives. That's funny to say in order. 6 Ex. What song you listening to?
Musical
Podcast.
music.
Podcast. What podcast?
Joe Budden podcast.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
All you gotta do when you're bored is go to Zillow and just start searching shit.
Nah, that's actually true. Just looking at houses you can't afford.
What song you listening to?
Listen to me,
What you got? Picasso, Chef G. Thank you, man.
Look, know they watching shit, huh? So my hoodie on like I'm Trayvon, but these Skittles knock the taste out of shit.
¿Qué escuchas? El último cartucho. Thank you, man. What song you listening to?
I'm listening to a podcast of Mark
What?
Maron.
Mark Maron.
So I
Appreciate
didn't really
that.
know what to expect, and I think I expected it to be a
Did he
difficult
go all the way over
conversation,
there?
but it was loose.
Walk
it was
up to
funny,
the guy
it was
to tell him
deep,
he's
it was
listening to a
smart.
podcast, not even a song. And why does he end it on these bad things, bro? He always ended it on some trash. He ended it on a podcast. It's not a podcast video. It's a song video. Bye, man. I'll see you on the next one. That just got me to tell you. I'm not gonna lie.